In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a picture in Word. We'll walk through the process slowly so you can follow along, and by the end, you'll be able to easily remove any image you don't want in your document. First, open your Word document and make sure you can see the picture you want to delete. If it's in a different part of the document, scroll until the image is clearly visible on your screen. It helps to zoom in a little if the picture is small, just so you can be precise with your clicks. Next, move your mouse pointer over the picture. You'll know you're in the right place when the cursor changes from the usual text insertion bar to an arrow or a four-sided move icon, depending on your version of Word. Go ahead and click once directly on the picture. When it's selected, you'll usually see small circles or squares around the edges of the image. These are called handles, and they're Word's way of telling you the picture is active and ready for editing. With the picture selected, the simplest way to delete it is to press the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, the picture should disappear from the page, and the surrounding text will often move up to fill the space where the image used to be. If that happens, you've successfully removed the picture. If pressing Delete doesn't work right away, double-check that the image is actually selected. Sometimes a single click might land on the text next to the image instead of the image itself. Click again, making sure you see those handles around the picture before trying Delete one more time. You can also remove a picture using the right-click menu. With the image selected, right-click on it to open the context menu. Then look for an option related to cutting or deleting. Choosing Cut will remove the image from the document as well. If you accidentally delete the wrong picture, don't worry. You can always press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on a Mac to undo your last action and bring the image back. That's all there is to it. By selecting the picture first, confirming it's active, and then using Delete or the right-click menu, you can quickly clean up any unwanted images in your Word document.